Hello guys, on today's video I'll be showing you how to create a new website from your Wix.com account. So click this 3 point. Down here we have create new site. Click on it. This will be directing you to a page asking you some question about your website. What kind of website are you creating? Online store, portfolio, blog store, consultant, and technology company. Let's start technology company, for example. Next. Okay, you should be specific. Your business name. Always sacrificing Madara. Next. What do you want to add to your website? Chat, events, blogs, forums, and others. Videos, booking, online store, and others. You can choose whatever. I only choose chat, for example. You can start your business from here. By clicking go dashboard, your account has been created. Thanks for watching. This is